Here in the video, we will share the details for the Monster Hunter Wilds error code R3592-0-0:A. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar, and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, this error occurs when players try to join a quest or send SOS flares. Players have no issues joining the lobby, but the moment they try to join another player's quest, they get auto-disconnected and are sent to offline mode. According to our research, the error is likely caused by connectivity issues or game settings such as crossplay. It may also result from outdated game files or firmware. Now let's come to fixes for the error. The first thing we suggest is to power cycle your device along with your internet. Simply shut down your device and unplug your router from the power source. Then wait for around 5 minutes, then plug everything back in and restart. Now check if the error still comes. If the error still persists, check if the game is up to date. Make sure you are running the latest version of the game. If not, update it and check if this resolves the error. If the error still continues, then check if your device firmware is up to date. Simply go to your system settings and check for any firmware updates. If there is any pending update, install it and see if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then try rejoining a recommended lobby, then try searching and joining SOSs again. If you still get the error, try turning off crossplay. Some users have shared that disabling crossplay was the only thing that worked for them. So try this and check if this helps with the error. At last, if the error still persists, then try using any other Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. Once connected to a new network, check if the error still comes. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.